Sutra of the Merit and Virtue of the Past Vows of Medicine Master Vajrayana Light Tathagata. Therefore, Manjushri, if there are men and women who, with utmost sincerity, diligently worship and make offerings to Medicine Master Vajrayana Light Tathagata, they should always recite this mantra and never forget it. Moreover, Manjushri, men or women of pure faith who have heard all the names of Medicine Master Vajrayana Light Tathagata, one of proper and equal enlightenment, should recite and uphold them. In the early morning, after brushing their teeth and bathing, they should make offerings of fragrant flowers, incense, perfumed balms, and various kinds of music before an image of that Buddha. They should personally write out this sutra or ask others to do so, and they should single-mindedly and constantly recite it. If they listen to explanations of its meaning from a Dharma master, they should make offerings to him of all necessities, so that he is without the slightest want. In this way, they will receive the mindful protection of the Buddhas. All of their wishes will be fulfilled, and they will ultimately attain Bodhi. At that time, the pure youth Manjushri said to the Buddha, "World-honored one, I vow that in the Dharma image age, using various expedient means, I shall enable good men and women of pure faith to hear the name of the world-honored one, Medicine Master Vajrayana Light Tathagata. Even during their sleep, I will awaken them with this Buddha's name." World-honored one, there may be those who accept and uphold this sutra, read and recite it, explain its meanings for others, write it out themselves, or tell others to write it out. They may revere it by making offerings of various flowers, paste incense, powdered incense, stick incense, flower garlands, necklaces, banners, canopies, and music. They may make bags of 5-colored thread in which to keep the sutra. They may sweep clean a place and arrange a high altar on which to place this sutra. At that time, the 4 heavenly kings with their retinues and other innumerable hundreds of thousands of gods will come to that place to worship and protect it. World-honored one, it should be known that if in the places where this precious sutra circulates, people can accept and uphold it, then due to the merit and virtue of the past vows of that world-honored one, Medicine Master Vajrayana Light Tathagata, because they have heard his name, none of those people will meet with untimely death.